Okay guys, ito na yung tutuloy natin part 2. At nandito na naman ang baby couches kong cute. And she's a cutie spy. O diba sabi ko sa inyo, maniwala kayo sa akin, tutuloy ko talaga yung part 2. Pero teka, yun na guys, naglaro na tayo guys. Ito na tayo. Naglalaro na tayo nito. At bakit ka nakatingin sa akin? You can see me? Where'd they go? Magtago agad. Muntik na ako makita. Dito tayo magtago. Yun siya, nandun siya. Nasaan siya? Ha? Where she go? Ayun, nandito siya. Dito siya guys. Baka buksan niya tayo guys. Kaya huwag tayo maingay. Ayun, wala na ba siya? Oh my god, what the hell? Okay guys. Let's do this. Okay. Tara ulit. Tignan na pa ako. Ano? Diyan pa din siya. Kauti! Kauti! Ano ba Kauti? Huwag mo na ako ano yung Kauti. Ang cute mo kasi Kauti. 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 It's time to go Kauti. 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 It's not good for your health. Kauti. Kauti. It's not, you hurt my feelings. Kauti, my Kauti. It's back, it's back, it's back. Oh no, Kauti. Kauti. It's time to go, Kauti. 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 It's not good for your health. Kauti. Kauti. Di tayo naka-escape. Okay na yun. Okay. Wait a minute. You need to fix the wall if you come to Kauti. You have no idea what is going on. Kauti. Kauti. Teka lang ah. Kauti. Kauti. Creeper. Kauti. You have no idea what is going on. Do you? You have no idea what is going on. Do you? Kita na ba ako? Diyan siya. Sana hindi na ako makita. Sana hindi na ako makita. Sana hindi na ako makita. Sana may... Pagkikita ba na ako dito pag nandito ako? Ga! Okay, patayin mo na ako. Oh no, Kautis! Here, Kauti. Kauti! It's time to go, Kauti. Kauti. Kauti! It's not good for you, honey. Kauti. Kauti. It's not, you hurt my feelings. Kauti. Kauti. It's not good for your health. Oh my god! Yo. Can't catch me. Can't catch me. Because you hurt my feelings. You hurt my feelings. Kauti. Kauti. It's not good for you. Ayun, nandito si Kauti. Ito pa si Kauti. I'm strongest than you. Gano mo, oh my god. Kauti. Kauti. Nakita ko na siya. It's not good for you. Kauti. Kauti. Go for your health. Kauti. Kauti. Okay. Tara ulit. Ay! Teka. Carry. This is the part 2 couch. Use the coming couch. And she's not good. You hurt my feelings. Couchy, I'm going back, Couchy. You know how I'm not good for your health. Couchy. Are you here? Tell me one go. In the comment section. Couchy? 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 Kaya magunti para mabilis agad tayo. Ay, alam ko nandyan siya. Eh. Siyempre, pag alam natin lahat. Yun nandyan si Couchy. Paano natin maano yun? Diba tama yan? Tama yan, nandito na yan eh. Oh, it's raining today! Oh my god, I see you. I'm raining today! Saan ako, panda? Wala akong... Dito na lang ako. Para hindi ako maulan. Yarang naman dito, diba? E, siyempre dito ako. You hurt my feelings, Couchy. Yes, the baby Couchy's back. And she's fine. Okay. Teka lang, guys. Magano muna tayo mag-dito. Baka nakulan. Ay, tuloy. Ay, ayoko na. Teka lang. Ay na. Baka nakulan. Wait lang, isa. Okay, ito na tayo. You hurt my feelings. Couchy. Lalo. I can't go, Couchy. Couchy. Ouch! Couchy. Tutuloy ko kasi ang part 3. Couchy. Lalo yan. Ano pa pala yun? Ay! Namali lang sa ano. Okay, catch me. Hello, Couchy. Behave now? Yeah? Where she come from? Okay. Where'd they go? I don't know. Oh. Super. What the? Ay! So, teka, guys. Teka lang. Couchy. It's not good for you. Couchy. It's not feelings. Where'd you go? Couchy? Oh! Because the baby Couchy is gabi na lang. Bakit ang ganda ng sun? Wow! Guys. Okay, ano yan?